Hello and welcome to another video, and right now we are going to show you what enhancements we have on the Measurement List widget. So let's go. So now we are on our cold chain monitoring workspace, and I'm going to add a new measurement list on the device dashboards. The measurement list is showing a history of the values of my devices. So in here, I make space for my measurement list, and I'm going to click on Add Widget, and I'm going to select my measurement list, and in here I'm going to say historical of my data, and now I can select the field that I want to display in here, and in my case I want to show a historical of the temperature, so I will select as field temperature, and in here you can select a unit, so I want degrees Celsius to be shown on my measurement list. You can also select how many decimal places you want to have, and as a column header in here you can also change it. In my case I'm just going to leave it as temperature because it's quite a good descriptive name, and you can now add color values based on ranges, which is really cool because that means you can now add ranges to your values, and you can select colors to pop up in case that they go above certain thresholds, for example. So if we want to have, for example, from -10 to 0 degrees and then to 10 degrees, because these are fridges, in this case we are going to say to this range then green, and if it goes above that then yellow, and if not then red. So in here you are going to have a really great overview of the historical views and see if at any point in time the temperature went above the threshold. So in here, great, here medium, and in here we are going to say too warm. And here you can show the color bubbles. You can also select to not show the bubbles, and then the text will be colored. You can also show the range name, which is great, the things that we wrote in here. Or you can also say, I don't want that, I just want to show the number. You can also select gradient colors depending on how close to the limits the values are. And you can also select to hide the field value in case that you want to show the range name, for example, and just show if it was great or medium or too warm. In my case, for the temperature, I would like to show the temperature right away and only the color, and that's it. I can save it now and I can leave it there. And now I'm going to show you how it looks like for a Boolean field, for example. So historical door status, and I'm going to select as data door open, just like that. And in here I custom Boolean values. I want to say true is open and false is closed. And I also want to show colored bubbles in here. So I want to say true is red and false is green, because closed is a good thing and open is not so good thing for fridges, in case that it stays open, of course. So now I can save my dashboard, and that's it. Now we have this beautiful overview of the historical views on every one of our devices. Because we are working with the product definition, we do have historical views on all of them. So in here you can see, for example, for this one, there are a couple of values that went above 0 degrees. And in here we can see if there has been an open door at any point in time. So this is a new way of showing your data on your dashboards. I hope this video has been informative and useful, and I will see you next time.